the definition is there. Like, you can see the definition. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing a wash and go. Yes, okay, I'm getting back to wash and goes. As you can see from my previous two videos, I did a wash and go before my curly cut, got my curly cut, got a wash and go from the stylist, and now after the curly cut, I'm doing a wash and go on myself. So now that the shape is how I want it to be, hopefully when I do the wash and go, which is now on myself, it looks how I want it to look. Okay. She did trim the back, so now it's above my shoulders, the back, because my back of my hair tends to grow longer than the rest of my hair for some reason. I don't know, it's weird, but whatever. So for wash and go today, the products I'm going to be using are the WashDayRoutine Curly Cream, and then for the leave-in, I'm just going to use the Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker 14-in-1. So I'm going to be pairing these two products together. I'm gonna transition into like gel and mousses throughout my wash and go trying experience again. But for now, I'm trying to prioritize moisture. I don't really care for like crunch, definition, you know, to last long. I want moisture. So this is very moisturizing, okay? So I'm gonna use this. In my other wash and go, I used WashDayRoutine, but I used the gel definer. I think it was cream definer, whatever it was. That was also a cream type base, you feel me? So I liked it, so I'm gonna try this. I've tried this before. Yeah, your girl has used it up, okay? So yeah, and then we're just gonna get into the video and see how this wash and go turns out. And I'm gonna use some of her tricks that she's taught me, and we're gonna, hopefully I like it, and hopefully you guys like it. Or if you guys have like any comments, questions, or whatever, you know, comment down below. But let's get into a video, okay?
Ready to witness the greatness. I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time, emotions running high. I wish you felt alright, just hitting my line all the time, all the time. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. You stay on my mind all the time, all the time. Ooh, it takes some finesse. I see you finesse. It can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You and your sister, too hard to handle. Things will get canceled. I will make time for you. Commitment, going the distance. I'm new to all of this. Yeah. It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. It can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. Yeah. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. You stay. You stay on. Baby, you stay. On my mind, stay on my mind. On my mind, stay on my mind. You on my mind, stay on my mind. So what can I say to you? When I'm off that, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know, true. I I was always holding you down. You down. Ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? What is love? You believe it if I told you all about it. But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just mad for. We was living fast for us. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lie my song. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what?
I don't be sorry, bro. I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, friends like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. I work hard.
Take Mercedes, buy some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Or am I the sound how this shit goes? Sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. Who said it's gonna even last? Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. Wait, you know I won't do that.
I'm sorry I said that.
Yeah. Swear the fame ain't changed shit but my mind. See the paddock, can you think a nigga blowing time? Here's your blood. What we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? What's that? What is love?
Alright, so my hair is done. This is the wash and go. Okay, I'm either gonna let it air dry or I'm gonna sit under my dryer. I'm gonna see, because my dryer is like a bonnet. I didn't think of it. I'm gonna have to like tighten it for it to actually puff up. So what we're gonna see, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but when I come back I'll let you know what I did. Alright. Hey guys, so today's the next day. I sat under my hooded dryer and then I banded it. I was at a sleepover, so I didn't get to record. But this is what it looks like now. It is soft and it does smell so good. But my only problem, you see this? Like the wash and go, like here is good, but once you get back here, I just don't know what's going on anymore. Like, I don't know. This part, like the back of my hair is starting to piss me off. I think I'm honestly, guys, just gonna cut it real short. It's getting to that point where I'm gonna cut it real short. Now, I'm gonna try to see if I do a wash and go with mousse, if it might be different, because I feel like it might be different, because she used mousse. She used mousse when she did my hair, and I just used the cream. But it's soft, like, the definition is there. Like, you can see the definition. It's definitely there. Let me see. I haven't looked at the back of my hair. The back of my hair looks okay. It's just this part. Like, I feel like I should just cut it. But I'm not going to. Yeah, it's just the back. I just feel like this is starting to get on my nerves real bad. And I don't know what to do with that. Like, I feel like the back of my hair never used to act like that. So I'm trying to figure it out. The front looks cute. The curls are there. Like, look at it. But yeah, I'll say the wash and go. I wouldn't say it's a fail, because the definition is there. I don't know. It's like I'm in between. I'm gonna say it's a fail just because of this, the back part. But overall, the definition is there. It moves. It's soft. It smells good. So maybe I can pair it with a gel or a mousse, and that might help. So I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try different things to do within the wash and go. So this is my first try with this product again. And so, yeah, maybe it just needs more like gel or something. We'll figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out. So that was that. Let me know how y'all feel about it down below. Like, do y'all think this is a hit or a miss? I'm not really sure. I'm in the middle. It's not a miss, but it's not a hit either. So we'll see. But like and comment down below. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Bye.
Eat it all.